Okay, so we got that thread. These threads are good. Those threads are all good. We're going to cut this here a little bit. So we got to make this fit inside of here now, somehow. And we got these fit inside the tooth now. So most of your fitting is getting there, but the problem right now is making this work. See, it only goes that far.
Yeah.
And it gets stuck. So you can jam a bunch of screwdrivers in there and spur it apart. Or you can hone them so they work better. Or you can grind them so they work better. Yellow grinder.
That one went through there.
So that one looks good. Okay, so that side's good.
So we just got one side.
So the left one's your pain in the ass side. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to cheat. What's this laying here?
That's my beer.
So you got a sander?
Nope.
Got a grinder?
Nope.
An airline.
Got an airline right here.
What's your feet? Airline's a little short. Barely reaches. Let's see. What's that?
It's a grinder.
It's a grinder. Yeah, tube. There we go, but not quite.
Still tight, huh?
Yeah. You see it's not leaving that big burger in there like it was.
Yeah.
Still tight.
Still giving you a hard time, huh?
It's tight.
That's tight, dude. What's wrong with it?
Chrome. Okay, see how it's loose this way?
Yeah.
See how it's tight this way?
Yeah. It's oblonged.
So top to bottom is the problem, not side to side. See, it's got a lot of clearance on the sides.
Yeah.
So top to bottom, especially on the inside in here.
So you gotta get the side part.
So we gotta concentrate on the inside edges in here. Contact. Maybe the battery works this time. Alright. Something down here is the high spot. Light went on.
How do you turn it on?
It's still on. Button on the side that says light.
I can't read that. I think you just need a little WD-40.
Just tight up in there. It's not round. It goes in.
Yeah.
It'll work. You don't have to beat anything here.
Yeah.
Okay. There's off again. Okay, so we got that done. Okay, these here should be alright. Just have to figure out we're going to clean these out a little bit. So where is the big steel piece that goes in the bottom of the tube?
What big steel piece? This right here?
Oh, there they are. Okay, we got them in the guts. Because they're not in the bottom of my tubes here. So.
Yeah.
Alright, so that should be good.
All that stuff's brand new.
So now the only thing we got left is the bolts here.
They go in.
They go nice and free now. No, that one did anyway. This one's not happy. That one's not happy. That needs to be dealt with. No, you just jam it in there and tighten it up.
No, I didn't jam it in there, tighten it up.
You wouldn't do that?
No, I would, but I didn't.
I know you would.
I would, but I didn't. I didn't do it on that one.
That wasn't your fault? You didn't do that?
Not that one.
Or the other guy did it?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going this way. So we didn't use that. Alright. See, Dad has more taps than I have, so.
I can see that. That's ingenious how he did that, dude. He cut every one of those to fit there, huh?
Yep.
That's cool, dude. I like that.
The only problem is on the small ones.
They're hard to get.
They break off.
Oh, they break off?
Every hole's got a broken one in there.
Does it?
Yeah. That's the problem with that. Oh. I need a 7/16. Should be 14. 14s are right here. It appears to be a little
Stiff?
hard going. Alright, what thread am I supposed to be doing here? Yeah, maybe that's the problem.
Wrong thread?
Maybe. Depends on what thread you want.
The right one.
Oh! It's 20.
20.
We're just making sure it had either one in there.
Yeah.
Still going pretty hard. I suppose a little lubricant would help.
A little lube, huh?
Yeah. No lube. Don't worry about that squeaking noise either. It's fine.
Rust in there.
Squeaking noise makes no difference.
It's through.
Squeaking noise getting more.
Yeah, you get paid more to that, huh?
Does that mean it's pissed off at me for no lube?
Yeah, you should have lubed that puppy.
Is she going to charge me extra now?
It's talking to you.
Tell me how pissed off it is.
Yeah.
It's dry as a hole.
Put me in a dry hole. That's just like that girl said, "Oh, I'm dry. Don't stick it in." You ever poked a girl in the dry hole? Yeah, it feels good, but boy, it hurts the next day.
Don't talk about that shit. Ban your ass. Supposed to keep it clean.
I know it. I picked up this one girl one night, right?
Come on, Dan.
You want to hear it?
No, I don't want to turn on my video.
Okay. Oh, it's on your video, huh?
Yeah, the camera's going down.
Oh, sorry.
Forget about the camera in your hand?
Forgot about that.
Forgot about that. Yeah. You talk about coming on your bike, but not here.
All right.
All right, where's your bolt?
It's in there, isn't it?
No, it's not in there.
It's over there then.
It's missing. It's missing. Someone stole the bolt.
There it is.
Is that where it went to? Uh-oh.
Goes in there now.
Not that far. Too many threads in that thing though. Not too many threads in there. A longer bolt. So many threads we got. Got a big thick washer. See how short the bolt is? Can we have a longer bolt, Dan?
I don't know.
See, Harley doesn't use lock washers. Going a little further.
We'll take the lock washer off.
And maybe put longer bolts on it. Not even in the way. These would be too long now.
Maybe too long?
Maybe too
We'll
long.
put the washers on them.
You go from too long to too short. See, now I got some pinching stuff going on there.
That's perfect.
Stick through an 1/8 inch.
It's all right.
An 1/8 inch longer bolt. In this case, an 1/8 inch shorter bolt. See how long they are?
It's all right.
A long ways to go. I like that. Too long or too short?
Rather be too long and too short.
I like long ones. So you just got to be careful when you torque them. Don't strip them, Dan.
Nope. Well, you're going to put it on there and that's it. Oh, I didn't bring the cowbells.
I'm not putting the front end together. That's you to put it on the bike, not me.
Yeah.
These have to be adjusted after it's on the bike. So you tighten them up, it'll go flush. It'll go flush when you go tight almost.
Okay.
It'll be just about flush when it's full tight.
Okay.
Right now it looks like crap. It looks like crap now, but it'll get better. Okay, so what do we got to do now?
Put these together.
Now I got to clean the other spring off.
Oh, I got to clean the spring off?
Yep, we'll be back. Start again. So hot. Right here.
There's it now, huh?
Plenty of room.
Plenty of room.
You just gotta remember to make sure you put that side
On
there,
the side.
and that side,
Yeah.
or not in the middle. All right, we're done with that. Next.